welcome to my makeup. We are going to do a halo eye. I know, my last video was a halo eye, but I really wanted to do another one because today is a super gloomy, rainy, kind of cold type of day, and I wanted something exciting and a little extra and sparkly. We are going to be using the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. It's one of my favorites. The first brush we're going to use is the Morphe R37. Our transition today is going to be Desert Vibes, right there. Now, these are very highly pigmented, so go in with a light hand. You can always add more. So I'm just going to start out here and lay down some color. I'm going to start up close to my brow line, not all the way up. And I'm going to cover pretty much my entire upper lid because we're going to be layering another color on, and I don't want it to be quite as vibrant as it is on its own. You're going to want to make sure you take this color clear down to your crease, like right in it. And do it a little heavier right by the crease. For our crease color, we are going to use Fantasy. There you go. It's a really pretty, kind of vibrant plum purple shade. But when you put it on your lid, it almost goes on as kind of a hot pink. So that is why I wanted to dumb down the color a little, because it wasn't going to match what I'm doing today. Oh, and I'm using the M441 from Morphe. We're going to put this right above the crease, kind of in it, sort of above it. And little circular motions to blend it. We'll go back in and blend it again with our Desert Vibes. I'm going back in with my original transition brush. Okay, maybe I'll add just a little, just along the top of that color. I'll try to blend it a little bit. Okay, that will be good for now. We're going to start our halo using the Morphe M573. I'm going to go into Artist Pass. It's a gorgeous duochrome. To apply this halo, I am going to just cover my entire lid with this color, and then I'm going to use my finger to dot on the spotlight in the middle of the halo. And I want a good amount of that on my lid because it's spectacular. I'm feeling a little extra today. Isn't that how it gets when we have kind of depressing weather days? We're like, I need some bling in my life. Got a little bit of fallout with that, partially because I was going in so heavy. So now we're going into Fun in the Sun, right here. It is kind of a greenish gold shade with red undertones, so I thought maybe it would look interesting with this look. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to just use my finger and I'm going to pat it into the center. I really like that. What do you think? We'll stick with that for now so that we can move on to our under eye. With my Morphe M433, we are going to go back into Desert Vibes. I'm going to lay down a base for my under eye. And then I'm going to go into Dusk Teal Dawn. And I'm going to put that close to my lash line. And to do that, I'm going to be using my Luxie 239. All my brushes are dirty. One of these days I'll get around to cleaning them. So I'm just going to sweep this from corner to corner and make my ugly under eye face. I'm going to go down pretty far I want it to cover a lot of space and be really blown out. Now we're going to go in with the Dusk Till Dawn right up against the lash line. That is so pretty. My idea for this look was to make the main focus our halo color, which was Artist Pass. And then I wanted to surround that color with different colors from the palette that would bring out the different tones when it shape-shifted. I'm going to go in with my Morphe M432 and I'm going to put that Dusk Till Dawn on it and get it even more vibrant right up by the lash line. I think that's looking pretty cool. Now I'm going to dust off my Luxie 239 because I need it again. I'm going to sweep a little bit of this just under Dusk Till Dawn color and kind of blend that out. Now on my Morphe M213, I'm going to go into the color Beamin', and I'm going to dust a little along my brow bone and in the corners of my eyes. Now we are done. So pretty. I really like it. For the waterline today, I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready Kajal. It is in the color 304 Matte Marine. I ordered it off Holler. Who in the hell knows how old this is? But it looks okay, and it's still creamy when I swatch it, so you know, it's $2. I'm trying to stay on camera, but and I can't see. Okay. That's quite pretty. We'll see how long it lasts. I'm not gonna film me doing my brows. It just takes me too long and it's kind of boring, right? And I'm not super skilled at it. I can't really give you tips on it because I just do the best that I can. But I always use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color chocolate. So I will be back in a minute with my brows on. And the brows are done. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara. Then we're on to lips and we're done for the day. Hi, Max.
Hi.
This is the ginger.
It was like the creepiest face ever. I was like, you put fake eyelashes on?
No, I'm curling my own eyelashes.
Ah, I see. When my mom said that I had eyelashes, somebody would die for.
He has got the longest, thickest eyelashes on the planet. It's just gross.
Love you.
Love you too, sweetie.
Can you stop by?
Have fun! I keep trying to talk him into letting me put mascara on his lashes. I just want to see what it would look like, you know? Alright. I am going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational. Got my camera and my mirror set up a little differently today, and I don't think I like it. Just, I don't feel like y'all can see as well. So, I'll fix that for the next video. Usually this is my superstar mascara, but it's not being fantastic today. Kind of wish I would have used my Lash Paradise instead. Maybe we'll add a layer of that too, you know, coat them up good. Really bad lash day. I am gonna go in with my Lash Paradise. Yeah, that's not upside down. Just to see if I can add a little more oomph to my lashes. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Too Faced Unicorn Tears Lip Cream, I believe it is. I love this stuff. Okay, so maybe it's a little off in color. Could try adding some of the Fairy Tears lip topper. Should we try it? See if it does anything? We'll see what happens. The only thing about this lip topper that I don't like is it's a little streaky. So pretty though. All right, well there we go. Oh my God, slamming stuff around. We are all done. We have our glittery, sparkly halo eye, courtesy of Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. Doesn't Too Faced just do fun better than anybody? I swear. I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. I feel cheerier and happier even though it's gloomy and rainy and cloudy outside. And look at the highlight on my cheek. Is the camera picking that up? We're sparkly and extra today. I appreciate you being here with me. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe below. I really would appreciate that. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye!